All right. Good day, everybody. How are you doing? I hope your day is going fine. It's your man, Michael Armstrong, and we are here with something special today called TUSD in the account using our AI screen. As you can see, say, hello, I am AI screen, and send me a chart screenshot, and I will give you a forecast. First, select the market. We'll be hitting the market with our OTC trades today. And as you can see, it says basically you are to select your market, and then you go ahead and take a screenshot and send it. Said now attach a chart photo, and once you send it, I will start the analysis and give you a forecast. Let's go ahead and find out what this is gonna be like. I said we'll be trading some cryptos today. We'll be starting with Bitcoin. Okay, let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of our chart for Bitcoin ETF OTC. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to our AI screen, and it says once we send it, it's gonna start the analysis and give us a forecast. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on tight and see what the prediction is gonna be for this. Is analyzing the chart, is building strategies, and is studying candlesticks. And what it is gonna be, we're about to find. It's gonna be a 5-second sell, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go ahead and set my timer on 5 seconds and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, first trade is a go. We just secured our first win for today. Our account balance is already on $96. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be on Bitcoin OTC. First, we take a very nice screenshot of our Bitcoin OTC. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your AI screener in action today, giving us the hits in the market, telling us whether to buy or to sell, and we are cruising in the market. Next trade is loading. Bitcoin OTC, we have sent it. It says it's gonna start analysis and give us a forecast, building candles, studying candlesticks, building strategies, and it is gonna be a 5 seconds buy. Timer is already on 5 seconds. Let's execute a buy order for this trade, ladies and gentlemen. I'm buying. We're gonna hold on tight and see. 3 seconds left on the timer, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we just secured our second win, and we are cruising hard. Nice time in the market today. It is a good day. We're cruising the AI screener, giving us good catches today. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be our next trade. Let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of our charts. Pocketoption. We're risking $184 on this trade, and attaching my screenshot. We're gonna wait and see. Since once we send it, it's gonna start analysis and give us the forecast. Ladies and gentlemen, it's building strategies and it's studying candlesticks. And what is this gonna be? We are about to find out. It is gonna be a 3 minutes buy. Let me set my timer on 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. I execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out to be, ladies and gentlemen. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be a buy. 3 minutes volatility level set to be medium, and success probability is set to be high. Holding on tight. Once again, AI screener giving us the goods in the market today. So far, we've recorded 2 wins back to back, 100% track record. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. Once again, on our timer, we have 2 minutes 33 seconds. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out after our waiting time. See you soon. All right. Okay, we just hit the 25 seconds mark. We're gonna hold on tight and see. It's still an undecided trade. As we can see, the sellers are trying to put up a fight, the buyers are trying to drag this down up, sellers dragging it down. We're gonna see how this is gonna turn out to be. 11 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen, and we're almost there. AI screener version 2.0 predicted this to be a buy, but the sellers are putting up a very high resistance. 3 seconds left on the timer, 2 seconds. Yes, the buyers have given us that, and we have just gotten our next win in the market, ladies and gentlemen. It is a good run so far, back to back wins in the market. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is going to be on Chainlink OTC. That is going to be our next trade, Chainlink OTC. Taking a nice screenshot of our chart. All right, not Chainlink OTC. Let's go ahead and show something different. We're going to go ahead and hit the market with Litecoin OTC. Taking a nice screenshot of my Litecoin OTC and attaching it to my AI screen, and we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. It says once we send it, it will start the analysis and give us the forecast. It's building the strategy, studying candlesticks, and is this gonna be a buy or sell? We're about to find out, people, and it is gonna be a 30-second sell. Setting my time on 30 seconds and executing a sell order. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is going to be playing out, ladies and gentlemen. Predicted to be a medium volatile trade. Success probability is said to be high for this trade. All right, we have 19 seconds left on the timer. The sellers are coming in, the buyers are putting up a fight. Yes, the sellers are dragging us down. Is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out, people. 9 seconds left on the timer, and we are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Almost at the moment of truth. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, We just secured our next win in the market and it is looking good. We are cruising high in this market and it is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and take some stocks. Our first stock for today is going to be McDonald's OTC, setting my risks on maximum. Let's go ahead and take our new forecast for the next trade. McDonald's OTC, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and attach a screenshot to this chart and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be a buy or sell? We are about to find out. As usual, we have attached our screenshot. It says it's gonna analyze it and give us a forecast, building strategies and studying candlesticks, and we're gonna wait and see. Is this gonna be, yes, it's gonna be a 3 minutes buy, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and set our timer on 3 minutes, execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0. This is said to be a 3 minutes buy, volatility level strong, success probabilities is said to be high. Artificial intelligence screener version 2.0 giving us our trades today, gathering facts, strategies and direction of the market, telling us when to buy and to sell. So far we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 5th trade for today, and we're gonna hope this is gonna be our 5th win for today. So we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna hold on and see. On our timer we have 2 minutes 21 seconds. See you soon. Alright, 7 seconds left on the timer. As we can see, the market is looking good. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. And ladies and gentlemen, yes, we just secured our next win in the market today, and as you can see, it has been a good catch by our AI screener. We were able to trade this account, ladies and gentlemen. We traded this account from $50 and we are already on 1,300. Let's keep cruising high. Next trade is gonna be on Microsoft OTC, and I'll be risking maximum my account balance as usual. Let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of Microsoft OTC, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go ahead and attach our screenshot to our AI screener, ladies and gentlemen. It says once we send it, it's gonna start the analysis and give us a forecast. And what is this gonna be? We are about to find out. It's analyzing the chart, it's building strategies, and what is this gonna be? We're about to find out. It is gonna be a 30 seconds buy, ladies and gentlemen. Setting my timer on 30 seconds, and we're gonna go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. This is AI screener version 2.0 predicting our next trade, saying this is said to be volatility level medium, success probability medium. 20 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. And is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. 11 seconds, we are almost there. The buyers are putting up a fight, the sellers are trying to drag us down, but is this gonna be a win? We are about to find out. 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we just secured our next win in the market, and for the next trade is gonna be our next trade. We're already on 2,500 mark. We're gonna take our next trade on Amazon OTC. That's gonna be our last trade for this session, and for that trade we are gonna be risking, how much are we gonna be risking? We're gonna be risking $1,100 for that trade. And ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on tight and see how that is gonna play out. Alright, let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot of our chart, ladies and gentlemen. Taking a very good chart of our Amazon OTC and attaching it to our AI screener. We're gonna hold on tight and see, ladies and gentlemen, what the prediction is gonna be for our last trade. Once we send it, it's gonna start the analysis and give us the forecast. And yes, it has started. It's building strategies and studying candlesticks. And ladies and gentlemen, what is this gonna be? It is gonna be a 30 seconds buy. Timer is already on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight, people, and see how this is gonna play out. Our last trade for this session predicted by our AI screener to be a 30 seconds buy, volatility level strong, success probability is said to be medium. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. On our timer we have 15 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Buyers coming in, sellers trying to pull us down. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be. We are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds left on the timer. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, we just hit our $316.79, and we were able to make that, ladies and gentlemen, in less than 25 minutes. It has been a good time between the market today, trading this account from $50 to $3,516. Let's take our calculator and see what does that mean to us. We subtract from our total account balance, which is $3,516.79, and then we subtract the total amount of money we've invested, which was $50 in total. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're able to make $3,466.79 USD in less than 25 minutes. This is nothing short of amazing. It's your man Michael Armstrong using AI screener version 2.0, highly recommended for starters and beginners in the market, even professionals.